Hello guys, we're doing another Bring Back Juice vlog today, and guys, look, I'm at the Quarry trails. I rode my bike here, and look, there's a waterfall. It's crazy. It's insanely waterfall, guys. It's so crazy. I'm gonna explore, okay? So I'll make a video then. Look guys, we're at the top of the stream on Quarry trails, guys. Look, this is amazing. Like, look at this river. Oh my word. I didn't know this was up here. And it goes all the way down there too. Like, crazy. I'm gonna show you guys the other part. Guys, look at this now. We're at the middle of the stream. This like stream waterfall thing up in the woods. Whoa! Whoa! This is crazy, guys. This is wow. Oh my. Ah! Crap. I'm stuck. Okay, I made it. Okay. We're going down, guys. Look at this. Wow. Guys, this is just amazing. It's crazy. Wow. Like, look at this stream. Oh my word. Whoa! What? Wow. Oh, guys. That's actually wonderful. Well, subscribe to Bring Back Juice and peace out! Peace out, guys. Subscribe.